Okay, morning everyone. I hope you all good. Now today I'm start to show the demo about the one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-one relationship. Now let's go. And this is a Spring Boot project that I create by using a Spring initializer, and this is IntelliJ IDE UI for solving the Spring Boot or Java project. Now simple, I want to create here one package for practice. Now ENTITIES, okay, only for practice, that is entities. Now inside the entities package I can create one class, that is book, and inside entities I can create another class, that is student. Okay, now I can write some annotation. Indeed, this annotation helps to create a table inside a DB, and this getter and setter, and I can create some field inside a class, that is private int book ID and @ID. Okay, now another is private string book name. I can create two field here, same like this. I can create two field inside here, private int student ID, and above this I can use entity getter setter. Yes, this annotation helps to make a getter and setter method, and this annotation helps to create table inside a DB. Now another field, that is private string student name. I can create two entity, one is book and another is student. Okay, then while I run this program, let's see what happened. While I run this program, then it is necessary to create a table inside a hospitality hub. Inside a hospitality hub I can refresh here, no table is created. Okay, let's refresh again. Okay, what will happen? Let's see. Oh, error. What will happen here? Entity student has no identifier. Every @entity class. I am not right here. ID. Oh, sorry. Yes, unique ID. So again I run this program. What will happen? Let's see. I think all is good. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see here two tables, one is book and another is data, and another is student. Okay, one is book and another is student. Now I show the relationship between these two tables. One student can buy multiple books, yeah, or take a multiple book from the library. So I can one to many, one student many book. So I think this is many and this is one. Okay, one student have many books, so here I can create a relationship, many books, so many to one. Okay, and private, I can, when I write private int book, now see what will happen. In the database, in the table, Which table? In the book table, can you see this field book? Or while we run this program, you can see the error. Let's go. Okay, you can see here what will happen. Magic will happen here. Yeah, you can see here error. Property entities book is not collection and may not be one to many to one, because while we map one entity to another entity, then we can map with the help of the object, not with the not this type. Okay, then I can write here book. No, sorry, student. Okay, now what will happen? Let's see. Okay, now I can run this program. I think all is working fine. Oh, again error. What will happen? Let's see. Oh, I'm right here, many to many. No, many to one. Yeah, when I write to many, then I can declare student as a list. So I think that is error. Okay, everything working fine. And you can see here what will happen. Refresh. Student, no, book. What will happen? Yeah, you can see here student ID. Yeah, student and student ID. This object student ID I can create here. So student ID. Okay, you can see and you can refresh here. Okay, what will see? Yeah, there are no more table. Student and book student. Okay, now now I cannot I can write a different name here. Student ID. I don't like this. So while we change the name, now there is another annotation, that is join column, and inside this name, and you can write here student ID FK means foreign key. Okay, only for understanding I can use here FK. Okay, while I run this program, what will happen? Let's see. What will happen? Let's see. Yeah, here while I refresh the book, student ID FK, student ID FK. There are two student ID and student ID FK. I delete this table. Okay, and let's see what will happen. Yes, now again I run this program, then you can see what will happen. Okay, I can refresh this table, refresh, and you can see your book, and you can see refresh. Oh, book, refresh. What will happen? Let's see. Join column student ID FK. Why this not happen in my table? Book, no, book. Yeah, book. I can, yeah, you can see here I can refresh the student. Yeah, book, you can see here student ID FK. We can change the name of the foreign key as like this, join column. Yeah, same like this. I like to create a relationship inside the student. Okay, now see here, one student have many books, one to many. Now I can create a object here. What object? Book. Yeah, now I run this program. You see here, you can find here only 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, and 5 table you can see here. While I run this program, now let's see what will happen. Magic will happen. Okay, now you can see here book not working fine. Why? Is a collection one to many. So if there is one to many, then list. Yeah. Now I run this program. I think all is working fine. Now let's see in the DV. Yeah, code is working fine. Now I refresh this table. Okay. Yeah, while I refresh this table, then you see new table is created and it is a foreign key. It is a primary key of the student table and it is a primary key of the book table. So next table is created because I can create here one to many relationship. So we can maintain a three table. Yeah, one is book, one is book and another is table, and one is book and another is student and another is student book. Yeah, and we can only needed this field for getting a data. I don't want to maintain the relationship. I only maintain the relationship between these two tables with the help of only this many to one and join column. Then what will we do? Then the keyword mapped by is introduced. Yeah. Now let's see. Mapped by. I can delete all this table. Okay. Student book. Then I go here book. Then I go here student. I delete this three table. Yes. Retry. Skip up. Student. I delete this table. Delete. Yes. Okay, you can see here only, I can refresh here, you can see only there are three table. Okay, now I can use here mapped by, and you can write here, you can see there is name student. Yeah, you can see here student, then command C to copy that student and you can paste here. Yeah, and by using this we cannot create or there will not be creating another extra table, and the relationship status is mapping with the help of this many to one and the join column. This is the owner of the relationship and this is not the owner of the relationship. Yeah, and while I running this program, then see what will happen. Okay, now I am going to the DV database, then I start to refresh. Okay, then you see here only the two table, that is book and student. Again refresh, there is no table. Yeah, yes, this is the role of the mapped by keyword using one to many in one to many relationship. It cannot maintain the relationship status. The book entity can maintain the relationship status. Due to here we can use the join column, and this student entity do not maintain the relationship status. Today I can elaborate only this much. Thank you.